Hi there, I'm Katie from SewWoodsy.com. If you have a budding artist, I think you're going to love what I'm about to show you. I created the most adorable DIY art birthday party at home using my Cricut. I use both my Cricut Explore Air 2 and my Cricut Joy, and I'm here to share with you some of the fun projects that I created for my daughter's art birthday party. In this video today, I'm going to share with you 3 different customized projects that I created. The first one, which I felt like was the most important because let's face it, little artists can be messy, was customizing a little DIY apron. Every single guest received one of these aprons. And it was just such a fun, special, customized touch, and it didn't cost much. It only took a little bit of time to customize. The second project that I'm going to share with you is how to make your own DIY coloring placemat. I went ahead and I created this design on Cricut Design Space, and then I used a gel pen marker to actually draw all the details on. And I also changed out the name for each one of my guests, which was perfect because it just gave that extra little special touch. And I'm going to share with you how I went ahead and did this on Cricut Design Space. My third project, which I feel like was really the main project that we worked on during the art birthday party, is this adorable little canvas. I wanted a canvas that parents would feel good about their daughters or sons hanging up in their room or in their home. So I went ahead and I put their name in vinyl on it, and then the goal was for the kids to paint over the canvas. And this is how my daughters turned out. I let her pick all her colors. She absolutely loved doing it, and so did all of the other girls that were at the party. And I'm going to share with you how easy it is to customize your own DIY canvas. Let's go ahead and get started on these projects. First, I went ahead and I cut out the girls' names using my Cricut Explore Air 2, and then I went ahead and ironed them on using the Cricut Easy Press Mini. I love how the aprons turned out. All the girls love them, and so did the moms. This was an easy take-home party favor. Next, I designed the DIY coloring placemat in Cricut Design Space. Then I used a glitter gel marker and my Cricut Explore Air 2 to write out the entire design. This took about 13 minutes per placemat, including the cutting. The girls absolutely loved them. I think the moms were really wowed, and this really just occupied the beginning of the birthday party as girls were starting to file in. The main art project for this art party was that canvas with the name on it. I used the Smart Vinyl removable vinyl for this project. I went ahead and used a ruler onto my canvas and measured out how large I wanted each girl's name to be, or roughly. I used my Cricut Joy for this and the Cricut Joy app. I selected the quick labels, and from there I like to scroll all the way down to the letter only cut. I just found the font that I really liked, typed in my daughter's name, and kind of started playing around with the sizing. I feel like this is very important because each girl, obviously their name length varies depending on how many letters are in their name. So as I played around with it, I did do a couple sample cuts with just paper just to ensure that my sizing was correct before I went and cut it out with the Smart Vinyl. Materials are expensive and I do not want to waste any of them. Once you've connected your Cricut Joy, it's time to load in the material and let the machine cut. Once it's cut, you'll want to weed out all the negative from your design and then apply on the transfer tape. As you can see, this is like a super sped up version of it. I will say that this part was a little challenging on the canvas, so definitely take your time. Overall, I'm really happy how these canvases turned out, and I think the moms were too. They also doubled as party decorations and another item for the girls to take home and enjoy. Here are a few more details from the party. I placed all the paint on a side table as well as all the other activities we were going to make. I made a pastel rainbow balloon garland, which really helped set the tone of the party. In lieu of a traditional cake, the girls got to decorate their own pieces of edible art in the form of cupcakes. So many sprinkles, but so worth it. I hope that you found all of these projects pretty simple to make and that you're ready to tackle your own DIY art birthday party. Remember to subscribe and head on over to sewwoodsy.com for all the details. Bye.